This is the coated abrasive. Abrasive grains are deposited on flexible packing. They are more pointed than those grinding wheels. Common example sandpaper emery. Coated abrasive. Abrasive grains. This is the size of coal. Make coat packing. Schematic illustration of structure of a coated abrasive sandpaper developed in 6th century and emery cloth are common example of coated abrasives. This is the coated abrasive. Belt grinding. Uses coated abrasives in the form of a belt. Cutting speeds are about 2500 to 6000 feet per minute. Micro replications. Abrasive with a pyramid shape are placed in a predetermined regular pattern on the belt. Belt grinding. This is the belt grinding abrasive belt. Another one broaching. This is the broaching machines. Broaching tools. Broaching. Broaching is the process of removing metal with a tool which has teeth arranged in row. Okay, teeth arranged in row. This is the broaching machines. Each tooth is successively higher than the previous tooth. And remove more material. In broaching, one stroke or cycle of the machines produces a finished part. Broaching is used to produce both internal and external features. Production rates are high and tolerance of plus or minus 0.005 are possible. Okay, broaching. Broaching machine is the process of machining surface with a special multi-point cutting tool. External broaching, internal broaching. The external broaching should be placed on the external side of the workpiece. On the internal broaching inside the broaching and workpiece. Okay. Another one broaching. Tool feed direction. Tool feed direction. This is the depth of cut per tooth. Gullet tooth. Workpiece. Specification of broaching machine. Maximum length of stroke. Maximum force developed by the side in tons. Type of drives. Power rating of electrical motor in HP. Speed and feed. Weight of the machines. Floor space required. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Rough to finish in one pass. Production rates are high. Cutting time is quick. Rapid loading and unloading of part. External or internal features. Any form that can be produced on broaching tool can be produced. Production tolerance are excellent. Surface finishes are equal and milling. Operator skill is low. Okay. Advantage and disadvantage. The disadvantage. Tooling cost can be high. In some cases, not suited for low production rates. Parts to be broached must be strong enough to withstand the force of the process. Surface to be broached must be accessible. Type of broaching machines. Type of broaching machine according to nature. The direction of primary cutting motion, horizontal broaching machine, vertical broaching machine, continuous broaching machine. According to the purpose, internal broaching machine, external surface broaching machine. Next, according to the method of operation, bolt broaching machine, bush broaching machine. Next, according to the construction of the broach tool, solid broaching machine, inserted tooth broaching machine, progressive cut broaching machine, built-up broaching machine. Okay. According to the functions, keyway broaching machine, burnishing broaching machine, spline broaching machine, round hole broaching machine, surface broaching machine. Okay. According to the number of main slide or stations, single broaching machine, double broaching machine, multi-slide broaching machine. Okay. Another one according to the motion of broach tools relative to the work, straight line motion broaching machine, stationary broach tool broaching machine. Okay. Horizontal broaching machine. This is the horizontal type internal broaching machine. We have to discuss the frequently using vertical broaching machine. Another one is the continuous broaching machine. The continuous broaching machine is the rotating table inside the continuous broaching machines. Okay. Another one is the horizontal type continuous broaching machine. Okay. This is the machine frames. We have to sprocket the fixtures. This is the endless chains. Nomenclature of broaching tools. Nomenclature of broaching tool is the full end, rear pilot, root dia. This is the type of broaching tool. According to the method of operation, bush broach, pull broach. According to the kind of operation, internal broach, external broach. According to their construction, solid broach, built up of replicable section, inserted tooth broach, overlapping teeth broach, progressive cut broach. Thank you, students.